Murder case that began with 10 defendants now down to just 3, and the charges they're facing tonight now reduced. And tonight the family of Irvo Otieno, attorneys and a legal expert are weighing in after second-degree murder charges were dropped for 3 people arrested in connection to Otieno's death, dropped down to involuntary manslaughter. You're watching 8 News at 11. I'm Deanna Albritton. Eric Phillips has the night off. That recent decision coming from Dinwiddie's top prosecutor today. The charges stem from Otieno's in-custody death as Henrico County Sheriff's deputies and state hospital workers pinned him to the floor for about 11 minutes as they tried to admit him in the midst of a mental health crisis. 8 News reporter Roland Wilson joins us in studio tonight after talking with some of those folks who are connected to this case. And Roland, please bring us up to speed.
Well, Deanna, this is just one of many changes in this case. While the defense attorneys are still trying to maintain their defendant's innocence, Irvo's mother tells me she's devastated.
Something is wrong, and we have to talk the truth, and the justice system has to do what is right.
A grieving mother sharing her reaction tonight after Dinwiddie's top prosecutor reduced the charges for the 3 remaining defendants arrested in connection to the death of Irvo Otieno.
Every progress that was made initially with those indictments is now being repealed. One by one, their hands are being unbound.
The decision to downgrade the charges to involuntary manslaughter comes just weeks after the second-degree murder charges for 7 of the people arrested were dropped. Do you feel that you're getting justice?
No, this does not feel in any way like justice. This is watered down justice.
The 3 still charged, deputies Kyle Sanders and Brandon Rogers, and Central State Hospital employee Wavy Jones.
I think that the reason for the amendment is likely the prosecutor's assessment of the evidence in the case, and a conclusion after her thorough and professional review that the evidence was not sufficient to support the element of malice that is necessary for second-degree murder.
Legal expert Steve Benjamin says the decision changes their potential consequence significantly, going from a maximum 40 years behind bars to 10. The
prosecution, under the amendment now, will try to prove that the defendants were acting improperly in their discharge of their duties.
For now, Oku says she will never stop pushing for mental health care change.
All Irvo Otieno needed was care. What I got was my son back in a box, and no parent should have to fear to take their children to the hospital or their loved ones.
Now, I reached out to the attorneys for the remaining defendants. Jones's attorney declined to comment. Sanders' attorney tells me in part, "We did not object to today's amendment of the charge to involuntary manslaughter. As we all know, this was an incredibly difficult situation, and Mr. Saunders shares the sadness everyone feels at the passing of Mr. Otieno." Now, I have yet to hear back from Rogers' attorney and Dinwiddie's Commonwealth's attorney.
Well, Roland, I think one thing that this really marks that there's just been so much change over the short time of this case.
There has, and after speaking with Irvo's mother, an emotional roller coaster for her. But Steve Benjamin, legal expert, says this is just an uphill battle that we'll have to follow.
All right, thanks, Roland, so much.